What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? Nice green start to the day. We discussed yesterday and the day before, or we discussed more on Sunday and Monday, that Monday, Tuesday was probably going to be more of a red start to the week, followed by the rest of the week turning green, leading up to the White House Crypto Summit. And here we are. We're kind of following that path here as we speak. So far, so good, guys. Let's see what this day has in store for us. So far, Swift Coin up 2.3% on the day, down 4.6% on the week, 59.3 on the month, but up 369% on the year. Even in rank at 270, 141.55 million dollar market cap, 7.63 million in volume. The volume is embarrassingly low on Swift right now. Jasmy up 8% on the day, down 4 on the week, down 30 and a half on the month, but down 25.2 on the year. We're up one spot in rank to 79, $847 million market cap. We'll round it up to 47 million in volume. XCN down 3.5% on the day, 2.3 on the week, 48 on the month, but up 534 on the year. We are down 5 spots in rank to 114, a $508 million market cap, 77 million in volume. And ZBEC having itself a beastly day, up 13%. Down on the day, down 11% on the week, up 54.5% on the month. We're up 24 spots in rank to 337, a $101 million market cap, 46 million in volume. Fascinating, guys. Great start to the day. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin's chart. What do we have? Boom. Check it out. Okay, so I did give you guys the warnings about this yellow line. We do not want to start closing daily candles below this yellow line here. If we do, we could see much, much lower prices. But for now, we're going to not talk about that because we're not close to that right now. We've wicked all the way up to that $91,000 level this morning. Looks like we're climbing pretty good, 89,500 at the time of recording. Can we get above 91,000 and close a daily candle? Or will we do exactly what I said we were going to do, which we have been doing? I said up here, we're probably going to ping pong in this range right here for at least a week or two. That's what I said. You guys remember. So here we are. We've been in this range here, ping ponging for, I don't know, a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, give or take. So far, we have been right on the penny here. Is it time for us to break up above 91K and continue up? Or are we going to reject off? Are we going to close basically where we are now and continue to ping pong inside of here a little bit longer? We'll see what happens. But another thing we got to consider, if we do break above 91K, the next resistance here is the 30-day SMA at 93,700. We rejected off of it twice here, pretty harshly to the downside. So can we break through it this next move up? We'll see. All right, going over to Jasmy. Jasmy starting to slowly recover here along with Bitcoin as well. Still inside of our bullish structure, as you can see. You'll love to see it. Love to see it. All right, so we held support for Jasmy here. Now, can we make another run up here? It's funny that the 30-day SMA seems to be running right along the top of the trend line here on this falling wedge pattern. So it could be a pretty significant level of resistance, sitting at 2.076 right now. So that's what we have to break above, guys. If Bitcoin can break above 91K and continue to the upside today, we could see Jasmy try to make that move. It is heavily correlated to whatever Bitcoin's doing. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, Bitcoin right now, 89,000, guys, 600. Fantastic. Fantastic. And let's go have a look over at XCN. All right, so Onyx Coin chart still, we're retesting this trend line again, guys. Can we successfully continue to the upside? Now we have resistance, as I said, right up here around that 1 cent 83 level. Got to break above that, guys. And then the next level of resistance would be up here, 2 cents 38. Those are the levels that you want to watch for on the upside. I don't think we're going to the downside. So, but if we did, we'd have to hold right here at 1 cent 552, which, I don't think we're getting down that far. So we don't even really need to get into that unless something bad happens. Going over to ZBEC. Let's have a look at ZBEC's chart. All right, so again, just ping-ponging inside of this structure, guys. We got to get back above this level here at 20142. But yeah, who knows? We could ping-pong inside of this range for another week or so. I'm not saying we will. I'm just saying we could. If Bitcoin continues, if it closes above 91K today, guys, we could see further continuation to the upside, which would give altcoins an opportunity to breathe and make a little bit of a leg up themselves. Going over to Swiftcoin. What do we have? Making another attempt at a breakout here. We've wicked up to the top trend line. We have not managed to break above it, guys. That's what we're waiting for. Can we get some strength? Even if we do, we have resistance right here at 1 cent 5. Got to break above that. We broke above it before. We wicked all the way up, rejected off of this level of resistance at 1 cent 796. The next day we actually broke above it and then wicked all the way back down again. So we'll see what happens here. But Swiftcoin's trying to break out right now. Look at the hiccups. It's trying to break out. We'll see what happens. All right, a couple of quick things to have a look at here, guys, before we get into the Jasmy team. Onyx is thrilled to announce that fast withdrawals are now enabled on the Onyx XCN Ledger Layer 3 blockchain. Users can now bridge out of Onyx to Base in approximately 10 minutes for assets including XCN, CBBTC, USDT, USDC, Wrapped STETH, and Wrapped ETH. So there you go, guys. Faster withdrawals there for the XCN Ledger. What else do we have here? Check this out, guys. Texas's strategic Bitcoin reserve bill has been placed on the notice of intent for today. It's happening in real time, guys. It is happening in real time. All right, and we're going to leave it with this here, guys. This from NeoSun, NeoXtrix. At Jasmy, they're not just the Fantastic Four. They're many. Here are 5 of them introducing themselves once again in order. So we've got Ando, Sato, Morada, Kakanumi, and Hara. I probably butchered that. All right, let's have a look at this video here, guys, of the descriptions of the team introducing themselves. Check it out.
Hello, I am Kunitake Ando, co-founder of Jasmy and a strong advocate for technological innovation. My professional career has been deeply shaped by my time at Sony, where I held several executive positions, including President and Chief Operating Officer of Sony Corporation. I also led Sony Financial Holdings and Sony Life Insurance, contributing to the group's expansion into the financial sector. Throughout my career, I have always been passionate about the evolution of technology and its impact on society. At Sony, I had the honor of playing a key role in the development of groundbreaking products and the expansion of digital services. My commitment also led me to chair the Frontier Human Resources Study Group of the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan, where we explored strategies to adapt human skills to technological advancements. In 2016, I took a new direction by becoming executive director of Jasmy, a company I co-founded with a clear vision to restore individuals' control over their personal data through blockchain and IoT. We have built an ecosystem where privacy and data security are at the heart of innovation. Today, I am also the director of the Japan Innovation Network and have served as president of Nagano University, continuing to promote education and innovation. My goal remains the same: to prepare for a future where technology truly serves individuals, offering them autonomy, transparency, and data protection. At Jasmy, we firmly believe that blockchain is the key to a more equitable digital world. Every day, we work to realize this vision and provide solutions that will benefit everyone.
Hello, I am Kazumasa Sato, President and CEO of Jasmy. My journey began in 1980 when I joined Sony Corporation as a young economics graduate. At the time, I expected to explore new horizons within one of Japan's most iconic technology companies. However, My first steps were quite different from what I had imagined. I found myself managing information systems on IBM mainframes. What initially seemed like a challenge ultimately became the foundation of a career spanning over 40 years in networking and data security. At Sony, I held several executive positions, including president and CEO of SonyStyle.com Japan Inc., general manager of Sony Marketing Inc., and president of Sony Style Company. I also led the Sony Creative Center, where I worked on marketing strategies and the development of new digital services. These experiences allowed me to understand the importance of network security and its impact on the evolution of the digital world. In 2016, I decided to take a new step by becoming a director at Jasmy, a company I co-founded with former Sony colleagues, including Kunitake Ando. Our goal is clear: to build a secure ecosystem for everyone. Inspired by Sony's philosophy, we strive to innovate where others believe it is impossible. Since 2018, as CEO of Jasmy, I have been fully dedicated to this mission. We believe that a more secure network is possible, and we apply our expertise to make this vision a reality. My journey, from IBM mainframes to blockchain technologies, reflects this continuous pursuit of adaptation and transformation, guided by one core principle: pushing the boundaries of innovation to create a safer and fairer internet.
I am Tadashi Morita, CSO at Jasmy, and my professional career spans over 50 years, marked by technological innovations and strategic contributions in various fields, ranging from industrial automation to payment systems, energy, and computing. My expertise began with my first experiences in 1971, where I designed automated test machines for video recorders, and evolved over the years through increasingly complex projects. Between 1987 and 1991, I worked in the United States on IT production, particularly on the development of the Apple PowerBook 100 and the quality management of CD-ROM drives. It was during this time that I strengthened my skills in project management and complex systems engineering. In the 1990s, my focus shifted towards industrial automation. From 1991 to 1999, I led key projects such as the development of the cell assembler, a high-speed chip placement machine, and other automated equipment for testing and calibrating circuits. From 1999, my career took a new direction with Felica. As CTO and CSO, I was responsible for developing Felica mobile chips and transport chips, laying the groundwork for modern contactless payment systems. I participated in defining security standards and NFC certification programs, which are now essential for the security of contactless transactions. Between 2013 and 2021, my interest in energy technologies led me to develop microgrids and advanced energy systems. I created innovative solutions such as ArcFree, DCOS, and ACOS, which revolutionized energy management, both in DC and AC. My expertise in open systems helped transform the efficiency of energy networks and made infrastructures more resilient and sustainable. At the same time, I held leadership and advisory roles at Sony, where I led innovation and security projects, particularly in the field of IC cards and distributed systems. I also played a key role in evaluating the security of IC cards and standardizing data formats within the FCF Promotion Forum. Since 2021, I have fully dedicated myself to the blockchain and IoT ecosystem by joining Jasmy. As Chief Security Officer, I focus on data security and system integrity. My role is to ensure that our technology, especially within our blockchain infrastructure, meets the highest security standards. With my experience, I aim to strengthen the security of our ecosystem while contributing to the continuous evolution of open systems.
I am Hidehiko Kakinuma, Executive Officer at Jasmy. With my experience in the financial sector, having worked for prestigious institutions such as Sumitomo Bank, Sony Bank, and Aeon Bank, I have acquired in-depth expertise in financial markets, banking products, and marketing strategies. This expertise will be crucial in navigating the complex financial landscape to develop reliable and sustainable solutions within Jasmy. Furthermore, my background in launching new businesses, including Sony Bank and Aeon Allianz Life Insurance, has given me a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities such a project entails. This experience will allow me to guide Jasmy with confidence and ensure long-term success. Over the years, I have also built a strong network of contacts in the financial and technological sectors. Thanks to these strategic connections, I am confident that we can establish key partnerships that will strengthen Jasmy's ecosystem toward a prosperous and innovative future. I am convinced that my expertise and commitment to innovation, combined with Jasmy's vision, will make this initiative a true driver of transformation in the decentralized digital economy. It is with great determination that I commit to this exciting project, and I look forward to seeing the impact we can make together.
I am Hiroshi Harada, CFO at Jasmy, and my journey has been guided by a desire to combine professional rigor with a passion for innovation. It all started with a decisive choice: to trade my promising athletic career for a career in accounting. This decision led me to study accounting, and after passing the national exam, to obtain my CPA certification from the JICPA. This certification laid the foundation for a career that allowed me to acquire deep expertise in auditing, finance, and taxation, essential skills in the business world. My professional journey began at Azusa Audit Corporation, where I had the opportunity to work on a variety of projects, ranging from IPOs to complex mergers and acquisitions. This experience allowed me to familiarize myself with a wide range of sectors, from broadcasting to manufacturing. I also supervised the IPO of a company on the JASDAQ market of the Tokyo Stock Exchange, which strengthened my understanding of financial dynamics and corporate regulation. But this was not enough for me. I was hungry for new challenges. That's when I took a calculated risk by joining Jasmy, a cutting-edge technology company, convinced that cryptocurrency assets and blockchain would be key drivers for the future of the digital economy. As CFO, my role evolved rapidly, and I found myself managing cryptocurrency assets in an environment where innovation is key. One of the most significant challenges was working on the listing applications for cryptocurrency assets, a field that was still poorly understood in Japan at the time. Despite these challenges, I have always firmly believed that this technology could transform industries and the way companies interact with their customers and partners. My journey at Jasmy has allowed me to make important strategic decisions. My experience in auditing, where I learned to visualize a company's activities from every angle, has been extremely useful in understanding Jasmy's overall vision and its financial challenges. What motivates me in my current role as CFO is the increased freedom and responsibility it offers to influence the direction of the company. I particularly appreciate being able to navigate a dynamic, constantly evolving environment and communicate effectively with all stakeholders. The Web 3.0 sector represents the future to me, and I am determined to continue contributing to the development of Jasmy, bringing my expertise to support its mission to innovate and propel cryptocurrency assets on a global scale. My commitment to this sector is not just a desire to follow the trend, but a true career choice to actively participate in the global digital transformation.
Ladies and gentlemen, your team at Jasmy, your fearless leaders, the ones leading you to the promised land. Okay, very impressive lineup. Shout out to NeoXtrix, Neo-Sun, for putting that together for us. And as always, guys, make sure you give them a follow over on X. Now, guys, listen, we are accumulating a small cap gem over on the Patreon right now that you're going to want to get involved in looking into, guys. I'm telling you right now, tiny cap, the partnerships will blow your mind. If you think that the XCN run that we had last month was big, you have seen nothing yet with this one that we're accumulating right now, guys. That's what we do. We find these gems early, we get in on them, we accumulate them, and we wait for them to explode. We were buying Onyx coin back in March of 2024. We got in early on XPR, we got in early on ZBEC, we got in early on Swift, we got in early on Onyx coin. That's what we do, guys. We have 10 other projects we're looking at over there right now, but one in particular that I am mass accumulating right now because I believe it's going to absolutely be insane. Again, the partnerships will blow your mind. Guys, get over to the Patreon, get involved. You do not want to miss out on these. Get in early on these plays, guys. It makes no sense to start buying them after they've already exploded, right? Come and have a look and listen. We're live over there every single evening. You can schedule one-on-one coaching calls with me personally if you need help with your exit strategies, with profit taking, when you should be buying, when you should be selling, when the bull market is, when the bear market is, all of this stuff. If you need guidance, if you need help, get over there and book a one-on-one with me, or join our live calls that we do on the Patreon every single evening, guys. All that and so much more, guys. And listen, it's just the price of a Happy Meal. That's it, right? So get over there and check it out. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, guys, right? If you go over there, you decide you don't like it, it only costs you a Happy Meal. You can go on your happy way. But I can promise you two things. One, you will learn something that will make you a better trader and investor in this space. And two, once you become a part of our community, you see the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips with over 1,900 members in our community, guys. Everyone's helpful. Everyone is there to back each other up in every aspect of crypto. You're not going to want to leave, right? So check it out for yourselves, guys. If you don't believe me, again, nothing to lose except for a Happy Meal, everything to gain. Why not check it out, guys? See for yourself. Also, guys, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Storage Wallet. Get yourself one if you do not have one, guys. I got mine. You got to get yours, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Exchanges can screw you over. Do not trust them with your money. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys later.